So you might all be wondering, where did this guy go for the past 2 days? I just bring videos and I disappear. Anyway, I've been having challenges with my network for the past 2 days. It's a problem. In 2006, we used to say Zimbabwe electricity sometimes available, which is no longer available sometimes. People, that's why we use solar. Anyway, that's the problem that I'm having with networks. With your Net One, the data is cheap, but it's not available all the time. You go to Econet, the data is expensive. Yes, it's available, but hey, it went up from $18 to $15. I don't know why. Is it because of electricity? We don't know. But the story that I have today is of ex-officer Muvevi, who has shot 3 people in Wedza, and after shooting 3 people, he has disappeared, and his car was found in the bush, and they've deployed a special force and a helicopter and the intelligence. They want to nab this guy. My brother Cooksman was just saying jokingly, why do we have to deploy all these resources when we have got prophets in the land? Some, they've got spiritual spectacles. It doesn't make sense. They could just tell us and locate the guy from where he is. But anyway, that's not the core of the matter. The core of the matter is, what have we done with the gun laws? We don't want to see another South Africa in Zimbabwe of guns flying all around. When there was this guy, Boss Pango, who killed his girlfriend and then later killed himself in a poison, which some people still believe that he's still at large. We don't know. But are we going to see another Chidumo and Masendeke playing out in our country like it happened in the 90s? Because this is kind of like a mafia movie style that we are seeing playing out in our eyes. I don't know what you guys think, but I think that the guns are now everywhere and it is very scary. I remember this other story that I saw on Twitter of a lady. She was at a school with her daughter, and because somebody overtook her in the line, then the guy asked him, "What are you gonna do?" and pulled out a gun in front of his daughter. Can you imagine? So what I'm saying is, we need to change gun laws in Zimbabwe because it is very scary. I've seen that life and I don't want to see it in Zimbabwe. That's all for me. I'll see you on the next video.